Hello everyone, this is going to be a super quick tutorial on how to update your address in UKG. So there are a few different ways to get there. Starting on your home page, you can scroll down, go to your quick link section, and then go until you find HR actions. This is going to give you all of the available actions that you have to change about your personal information. So for this specific video, we want to do an address change. So you're just going to find that, click start, and then you're going to see the address we currently have on file. So if this is something where you are moving next month and you want the effective date to be maybe the 22nd, then you will enter in your new address, maybe change the state that you're living in, or any other details that you might actually want to update to be correct. You'll just put that in there, and then you can click submit, and that will save it. Now, if you don't want to navigate from your home page, you can also come up here and it will be under My HR and HR Actions. That will take us to the very same page. And you'll come over to your available options, or you can come up here and type in HR Actions. Either way, they all lead to the same place, and you just want to make sure you're in the Available tab. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our HR team. We would be more than happy to help you with this issue. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.